Today we're gonna show you how to fix a remote control for a LG TV. We had a problem with this LG TV. For some reason, all of a sudden, remote control stopped working. So first, of course, you think it's a battery, and of course we take the batteries out and change new battery. Some people even says you have to take the batteries out from the control and press and hold every single button for a few seconds. So we did this too on every single button, every one. After that we put fresh batteries back into the remote control and try to turn it on and off, and still wasn't working. Like buttons on the side here was working fine, but control itself wasn't working. And one guy told us, you think it's probably weird, but one guy said it's very cheap and easy to fix, basically with this 3.5mm earbuds. And what you have to do with them: first turn off the TV, then unplug it, turn it like this, and there is a button says remote control. So take this connector and put it there. Put it maybe a few times. Take it out, plug it in, and remote control should work. I know it sounds weird, but you should try, and please tell me if it worked for you or not. And it doesn't cost you nothing. Basically just use any of your earbuds like 3.5mm and put it into your remote control plug. So have a nice day, and I hope you fix your TV. Thank you, bye.